Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the background in Photopea step by step in 2026. Whether you're editing product photos, creating transparent images, or designing YouTube thumbnails, Photopea makes background removal quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Photopea. Click Open from Computer * and select the image you want to edit. Once your image appears in the workspace, unlock the background layer if it's locked by clicking the lock icon in the Layers panel. Next, choose the best selection tool for your image. You can use the ** magic wand tool * for simple backgrounds, the * quick selection tool * for faster selections, or the object selection tool * if it's available. Carefully select the subject you want to keep. After making the selection, zoom in and refine the edges for a cleaner result. You can use Select ** and Refine Edge * to smooth the outline, soften rough edges, and improve the overall selection quality, especially around hair or detailed objects. Once you're satisfied with the selection, invert it if necessary so the background is selected. Then press the * delete * key or create a * layer mask * to remove the background while keeping your original image safe. Using a layer mask is recommended because you can edit it
A managed
without
agent,
permanently
a remote
deleting any part of the image. Now you'll see a transparent background. If you want to replace it, simply drag a new image onto the canvas and place it below your subject in the Layers panel. Finally, click * File *, choose * Export as *, and select PNG * to preserve the transparent background. Save the image to your computer, and your background-free photo is ready to use. That's how to remove the background in Photopea in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel,